Hey guys, it's Codename Gamma. I'm back again to talk to you guys about all new stuff. As always, let me start off by saying thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. I'm almost up to 5,000 subscribers now, which is just insane. I'm not gonna gush like I did the last time for like 10 minutes, but you know, thank you guys for watching and subscribing. One of the problems, or one of the comments I get the most is people wondering where to find releases, and my answer has always been, well, just go through the videos and find the one that says release in it, and that usually will have the download link for the latest Mania Maker, the latest cheat table, or whatever, right? Well, the problem is that there's a lot of videos. You know, I pump out a lot of videos, so to remedy this, I decided to bring back codenamegamma.com. I just set this up yesterday, so here you can find all the releases that I've made, along with links to my Twitter, YouTube, Patreon, etc. If you just want to find stuff for Sonic CD, you can click CD over here. If you just want stuff related to Mania, you can click Mania. If you just want cheat tables, you can click the cheat tables and find the latest one. Speaking of cheat tables, we have version 3.7.1. A very cool guy by the name of Kid Sheldon, spelled the way he spells it here in Hacker Leak speak, decided to go through and clean up and organize the previously released cheat table, along with add the stuff that I had put in there in between the last 7.0 release, or 3.7 release. So this is much cleaner. Things have been renamed, spelling errors fixed. Yeah, I don't think it gets much better than this in terms of, you know, the cheat table. There's going to be there's going to be a new one eventually, but right now I can just pull this up. This is what it currently looks like. And yeah, it's a mess, as you can tell. So it's going to take some time to clean this up and parry this down. Don't expect a new release for a while, but I'm sure it'll happen. What else? Let's see here. Let's go to Mania. I released some test maps and the bosses. So here, as you can tell, it's the Pressed Garden Act 1 test map. So if you want to load this up using the Modloader, you can get in there and you can mess with the ink jars and the SP500 objects. This is what I use for testing and you guys have seen this before if you've been watching my videos. So you can get in there and you can mess with them if you want. The level cannot be completed because it's just, like I said, it's a test map, not a full recreation. So here is the restoration for the Driller Droid. So you can get in there and you can play around with that, and you can try to beat the boss as it was fully intended. Same thing with the Egg Jenkin restoration. You can get in here and you can load up this using the Modloader, and you can play against the boss. Do keep in mind, though, that because of the way that the cutscene works, if you don't have debug mode enabled to disable cutscenes, as soon as it tries to play the cutscene, it's going to crash. So either be prepared for a crash or enable debug mode so that way it disables the cutscenes. This way, it'll just move on to the next level after. I'll return to this in a minute. There's also the new Mania Maker, or the latest version of the Mania Maker, so you can download that here as well, and like I said, the cheat table as well. From now on, everything that you guys want. If you think that there's the latest version of Mania Maker, it's going to be posted here, and then you'll just want to grab the one with the latest date or the latest version number. So yeah, it should make things much easier in the future now to find releases, especially for Sonic Forces stuff if I do get around to releasing them. Let's talk about... So let's load up the Modloader. There's a couple of different versions of the Modloader. There is the official one, which does not support the latest version of the game. And then there's a fork that updated it. So both are going to be in the... links to both are going to be in the video description. But you're going to want to read here and set it up. It isn't too hard to do. Once you download and get it extracted, you just run the mod manager or Modloader. Ah, here it is. Okay, I was already running. And you'll want to extract the zip files. So here's the Egg Jenkins one. You just extract it to the mod folder. And it should come up here, and then from here you can enable or disable whatever mods you want. So make sure you click Install Loader if it doesn't say uninstall like mine does, because mine's already installed. And you can click Save and Play. And the game will load up. And now if we go to Studio Oplus 2, here's our stage. So keep in mind on this, if you go back and start messing around the level, as soon as you jump into the lottery machine, it's going to crash because I had to reuse or remove one of the objects that it needs to get the boss working. So, you know, that's why we start here at the end. But yeah, if you go into it, there's the boss. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now you guys can get in there and you can do your own videos or play against the boss yourself. What else? Press Garden Act 1. Same deal if you want to get in here. Let's control Tails. Yeah, pretty much as easy as that. Yeah, and then like I said, there's not much to do here. It was just a test map I made to test that stuff out. Last one is Driller Droid, so we need to go to Lava Reef 1. And because the level is messed up, I start you here at the end. And yeah, there's the boss. So you can try your best to beat the boss. Same thing with the cutscenes here. It's going to be pretty much the same thing. If you have cutscenes enabled, then it's going to cause problems when the level ends. Not really a big deal for some people, I guess, because they can always just see the dev menu and get out of it. So, yeah, I believe that's gonna be about it. Thank you guys for, subscribing and watching my videos. Don't forget to check out the Patreon if you wish to support what I'm doing and my work. Yeah. Again, thank you guys. Talk to you later.